Hi super artist, welcome back to my channel Color Book. Who loves flying kites? Today we are bringing a colorful kite to life with a few simple steps. Let's start with the main shape. Draw two slanting lines, keep them nice and neat. Now let's add two more slanting lines, join them together. Now make the bottom part of our kite. Our kite shape is ready. Next, I will add a slightly curved line in the middle. Draw a long curved line going down from the kite. This is the string. Draw a straight line. Now comes my favorite part, coloring. First, color this top section yellow. Color opposite section with yellow too. Next, grab your blue color and fill the remaining sections. Color the bottom part red. Color the kite string. First use light green color. Then add some dark green color. Our kite string looks beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Our beautiful kite is ready. Now it's time to let it fly high. Keep drawing and have fun. Bye bye.